Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have a 2-pack of clear shower curtain liners. These are 72 by 72 inches. These are PEVA 3G plastic shower curtains. Alright, here is the AmazerBath shower curtain. This is offered in 2 different colors. You've got the clear and you've got white. It is also offered in different sizes. There's 72 by 72, 72 by 78, 72 by 84, 36 by 72, 72 by 65, 72 by 96. So let's go ahead and dive into this one. The great thing about this, it is waterproof. The shower curtain liners can protect shorter developed showers. It can extend the useful life of a shower curtain. So you can see right here is you do get 2 of them in the pack. So they're really light and thin. You can see there's little stones at the bottom to help the shower curtain stay. They're heavy-duty clear stones. The shower curtain liners are thin but nicely made with 3 clear stones at the bottom, so that will help from your shower curtain rising up. They're very thin. These are the 3G, which is 3 gauge. They have offered different gauges, but this one here is the 3 gauge. So you can see the stones at the bottom. It's nicely packaged. These are easy to care and convenient. You can wipe these clean with a damp cloth. I use water and vinegar when I clean my cloths, and it actually comes out nice and clean. You can see that it is stretchable, but not too much. It is super lightweight and thin. This is excellent for showers and bathtubs in your home, campers, motels, hotels, dorms, any kind of shower. They do offer in several different sizes. This is a 72 by 72, which is perfect with my shower. And then here is the second one. So if you have 2 bathrooms or you want a spare for a backup, you do get 2 of these, which is perfect. There is the stone on each bottom of each one of these shower curtains. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and make it our way to the bathroom to put these up. So you can see that these are the 3 gauge. This is the clear. They've got 5 gauge, 8 gauge, and 10 gauge, but this one is the 3 gauge. And then this one here tells you that this is a 72 by 72. So now we're going to go ahead and make our way to my bathroom and show you how to install these shower curtains. Alright, so right here we have partially installed it. You can see that the little rings here are really nice quality. So I just got the front, the back, and the middle, and we're going to go ahead and finish installing it. So you can see it's nice and clear. So now we're just going to go ahead and put on all the other clips to make this completely finished. So right here is completely finished. You can see it looks really nice. Nice and clear, clean. It's got the stones at the bottom, so they do stay down so it doesn't lift up while you're showering. You got 1 on each side and there's 1 in the middle. So these are pretty nice. I'll go ahead and just close it up a bit. You can see that these shower curtains are really nice. If you have another shower curtain that go over to cover the clearness, you can go ahead and do that using your little shower curtain rods. So overall, I would say this shower curtain's really nice. It's easy to clean. I just use water and vinegar to clean this up. I definitely recommend if you're looking for a nice little shower curtain that doesn't break the bank, I would say check this one out. This one is very nice, and it's nice and thin and easy to clean.